Good afternoon. My name is Ashley Johnson, and today I'm going to tell you about the James Webb Space Telescope. This project started in 2004 and had a projected launch date of 2009. However, NASA ran into a myriad of problems that prolonged this launch date for decades. On December 25th, 2021, they launched this telescope that is 28 feet tall, weighs 7 tons, and has a sun shield the size of a tennis court. They launched it 1 million miles away from Earth to a spot just outside of our moon, called the L2 gravitational sweet spot. Now, this is important because the mass, the weight, and the size of this telescope going to L2 means that it does not require fuel and will orbit around our Earth just as our moon does. Now, because it is going right outside of our moon, it means that no astronaut can go to fix it. So NASA only had one chance to get this right, as the farthest that we've ever traveled is the moon. In March of 2022, NASA decided to go ahead and calibrate all 18 of the gold plate mirrors to the brightest star that they could see, and this is the image that they came up with. This test image is incredible because every spot that you see that is black, that has lines coming off of it, is a star. Everything else that we see in this picture is a distant galaxy. NASA's next step after that was to go ahead and compare the images that the JWST successor, the Hubble, took, and this is what we got. Right here we see the Carina Nebula, and this is the picture that the Hubble took compared to the JWST. The Carina Nebula is a star nursery, so this is exactly where stars are born that then go out to create their own galaxies with planets revolving around them. Another one that we can see is the Southern Ring Nebula, which is, here we see the Hubbles, here we see the JWST. NASA scientists have predicted before that this Southern Ring Nebula had a binary star system, which means that it has two stars revolving around each other. Right here with the JWST, we can actually confirm that with actual images. Right here, we see Stephan's Quintet. This is a accumulation of 5 galaxies that are close in proximity to each other. Right here, we can see that there are 2 galaxies that are merging together, which is super important as our galaxies age, because with them merging together, it means that we can still maintain the gravitational pull that we need. A different image that the JWST took of Stephan's Quintet also confirms right there with the tallest galaxy that you can see that there is an active black hole. And right here we can see that that galaxy is being sucked into the black hole as we speak. Arguably the most important image that we have gotten is of what we see right here. In 1995, NASA scientists decided to point the Hubble Space Telescope in the darkest point in the sky that they could find for 2 months. And right there is the image that we got. This is known as the Hubble Deep Space Field. And this is what the JWST took. It is important to remember, according to a PBS documentary on the ultimate telescope, which is the JWST, that we are looking technically as if the telescope is a time machine. So it is estimated that the light that the sun creates takes 8 minutes to reach Earth. That means that the light and heat that we feel right now was created by the sun 8 minutes ago, not as it's creating. All of these distant galaxies that are not those little stars that we see, we're not looking at them as if they were right now, but how they were hundreds of thousands of years ago. This is extremely important because with this photo, we got to confirm the oldest galaxy observable to man as we know it. Right there with that little circle is what's known as glass Z13. The universe is approximately 13.8 billion years old, and glass Z13 is estimated to be 13.4, which means that this galaxy was created only a couple hundred million years after the Big Bang and the creation of our universe. Now, the JWST telescope has the possibilities to find alien life, other habitable planets. It has the possibilities to nurture all the mysteries that we have about our universe and find answers to all of our questions. I appreciate you guys coming. Thank you.